Hello there guys and gals, good day to each every one of you. As you can see, there's a wonderful little tree papaya in here. So amazing. Even though it's a small tree, it bears fruits. And it's some kind of a big one. See that? Oh gosh, so heavy. And there's another one in there, guys and gals. See that? Wow. So amazing. What a God's creations. See? And there's another batch of fruits here. You know what, guys and girls? Papaya is a vitamin C. So eat well, papaya. Eat well of papayas, okay?